Haimen, located in the Jiangsu River Delta, close to the river and sea, with the international metropolis Shanghai across the river, is extremely advantageous in geographical location and convenient in transportation. Nantong Hengxiu Aluminum Heat Transfer Material Company Limited and Nantong Hengjin Composite Material Company Limited, located in the industry base of the National Torch Program and Jiangsu Haimen New Material, are the supporting and guiding enterprises of advanced technology development, and also have regional characteristic economy entity with the obvious advantages on the base. Strength makes great difference. Nantong Hengxiu Aluminum Heat Transfer Material Company Limited and Nantong Hengjin Composite Material Company Limited, established in 2006, with an area of 350 mu, 57.6 acres, a modern office environment, standard workshops of 100,000 square meters, and a number of advanced production lines. The level of equipment, technical standards, product quality, all pioneer in the same industry. Over the years, adhering to the industry spirit of satisfying customer, contributing to society and self-improving, the companies are dedicated to the R&D, production and sales of all kinds of engineering machinery, automobile radiator, intercooler, condenser, evaporator for customers, and also power plant air cooling system, air conditioning, computer radiator, high-quality composite brazing aluminum alloy steel and aluminum alloy and copper alloy products in the cable, electronic, and other industries. In 2012, the companies were identified as high-tech enterprises, whose many products have won Industrial Demonstration Project Certificate of the National Torch Program. And for 6 consecutive years, they were named as the Gold Enterprises. Now, the companies have production capability of an annual output of 100,000 tons of aluminum alloy composite material, 20,000 tons of aluminum steel composite material, 5,000 tons of copper alloy materials, and at the same time, our production ability rises about 20% each year, which established Nantong Hengxiu, Hengjin, the leading position in the industry of heat transfer material. Quality is the enterprise's life. Quality is a foothold of the industry, so pursuing efficiency and building brand based on quality are the constant theme of Hengxiu and Hengjin. At the beginning of the company's establishment, quality management has been brought into the strategic planning of the enterprise, and we have passed the TS 16949 Quality System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, all the time adhering to the development idea of integrity, cooperation, and win-win, and the business aim of pursuing credibility based on quality and striving for development based on credibility. The company strictly implements standardized quality system in the production, and all products can be packed only they're qualified. Sticking to the idea of 100% full service, 100% assured service, the companies have won a good reputation in the market and have been accepted and trusted by various customers. The products have been sold throughout the country and also exported to Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and many other countries all over the world. In Hengxiu and Hengjin, the serious, responsible, efficient, and dedicated employees are the company's greatest wealth. And the companies cultivate and introduce a large number of high-quality scientific and technical personnel and management personnel, with active implementation of the enterprise culture, dedication and practicability, learning and innovation, and the creation of a harmonious working atmosphere. The company continued to enhance the cohesion and central pedal force of the enterprise. In recent years, the companies vigorously improved various training systems, construct learning type of enterprise, strive to improve the quality of the employees, and create the quality of the products based on high standard. Let the idea of customers in my heart and quality in my hand become each employee's initiative. Innovation is the power of enterprise. Innovation is the motivation and source of enterprise development, and also the key of enterprise survival and development. Hengxiu and Hengjin, the two enterprises filled with creativity, always adhere to the business philosophy of science and technology is the first productivity, and get a sustained innovation ability by increasing R&D investment, advanced equipment, and high-quality personnel culture. The companies make a huge investment to the introduction of spectrograph, spectrometer, scanning, electron microscope, and other advanced equipment. The complete quality inspection center can finally and comprehensively detect the chemical composition, mechanical properties, metallography, coating, anti-slowing, corrosion resistance, and so on, which improves the self-development ability and comprehensive ability and accelerates the introduction, digestion, absorption, and innovation of high technology. At present, a number of products in Hengxiu and Hengjin companies have been appraised as the key new technology products in the province by scientific and technological achievements, and they obtained 5 national patents and 15 utility model patents, and annually, the companies have 5 to 6 products applying for national patent. With the ability of producing material with a thickness of only 30 microns, minimum shearing width of only 8 millimeters, and the maximum diameter of 2 meters. The companies have successfully developed and produces more than 100 kinds of alloy materials, which meet different needs of different customers. In 2011, the companies have successfully developed and industrialized the aluminum steel composite material power implant air cooling system with stable mature technology and excellent performance, whose main technical indexes reach the domestic advanced level in our country, making great contribution to the domestication of power plant air cooling system. Future can be taken great strides. Faced with a fierce market competition, Hengxiu and Hengjin have always stressed the win-win principle. Customers influence industry mutually in terms of development and profit. Under the premise of quality assurance, the customers are ensured to get the most affordable price and the best quality service. Based on the concept, service with a starting point and satisfaction with no end, the companies constantly improve the product market share of Hengxiu and Hengjin, with high-quality products and services exceeding customer expectations. And the customer satisfaction and loyalty increase year by year. The companies establish 4 layers of quality check management system. The first is defining the first person responsible for the quality. The second is the director of department responsibility system for the products. The third is to set up and perfect the post-detection system, and the quality is controlled in the entire production process. The fourth is to provide technical consultation free of charge for the customer and establish a complete customer profiles, having timely tracking and monitoring on the quality of the products. The boundless benevolent accept hundreds of rivers, ending into the vast, and the invisible wise survey everything comprehensively, demonstrating the profoundness. Today, Nantong Hengxiu Aluminum Heat Transfer Material Company Limited and Nantong Hengjin Composite Material Company Limited are proudly upright in front of the world. Looking forward to the future, Hengxiu and Hengjin tomorrow will continue to enhance the brand influence, research and develop new products, bring the world's most advanced aluminum, steel, copper alloy processing technology, and business philosophy to customers and strive to build into an international heat transfer material processing enterprises.